Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of Smartsheet and Google Sheets, two platforms that look similar at first glance but are actually designed for very different kinds of work. So I'm going to break down their features, their ease of use, pricing, and what kind of teams each one is best for, so that by the end of this video you're going to know exactly which one fits your workflow better. So first off, let's take a quick look at both platforms. Now, Google Sheets is a free cloud-based spreadsheet tool from Google. It's great for organizing data, running calculations, and collaborating in real time. Whether you're building a budget, analyzing metrics, or planning a schedule, Google Sheets gives you a flexible blank canvas to work with. On the other hand, Smartsheet takes that spreadsheet concept and turns it into a full-on work management platform. It's designed for tracking projects, automating workflows, managing resources, and building reports. While it still uses a grid layout that looks familiar to spreadsheet users, it comes packed with built-in templates, dashboards, Gantt charts, and team collaboration tools. Now let's talk about features. So Google Sheets gives you functions like formulas, charts, filters, and pivot tables. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for teams that already use Google Workspace. But to turn it into a true project management tool, you'll likely need to rely on third-party apps or manual templates. Smartsheet, meanwhile, is designed specifically for project tracking. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress with Gantt charts and calendars, automate approvals, and build real-time dashboards. It also supports form submissions, resource allocation, and advanced reporting, features that Google Sheets simply doesn't offer without a lot of customization. Next up, let's talk about user experience. So Google Sheets is clean and intuitive. Most people already know how to use it, which makes it great for quick setup and widespread adoption. But as your processes grow more complex, the limitations start to show. Smartsheet, on the other hand, takes a little more time to get used to, but it's specifically designed for managing structured work. Now, once you get the hang of it, it's a much more scalable solution for teams who need visibility and accountability. Now, when it comes to integrations, both platforms are strong. Google Sheets connects seamlessly with other Google apps like Docs, Slides, and Google Forms. It also integrates with Zapier and thousands of other third-party tools. Now, Smartsheet also supports integrations with Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, and many others. Plus, it includes native automation tools and an open API for more advanced workflows. Now, let's talk about pricing. So Smartsheet has four plans. You got your Pro at $12 per member per month, Business at $24 per member per month, and both Enterprise and Advanced Work Management with custom pricing. Now, Google Sheets is completely free for individual users and is included in Google Workspace plans, which starts at $6.30 per user per month and go up depending on features and storage. So, which one should you go for? Well, if you just need a simple collaborative spreadsheet tool to organize and analyze data, then Google Sheets is a great fit. But if your team needs to manage projects, automate tasks, and report across departments, then Smartsheet is the better choice for work done at scale. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.